All right, everybody, what I'm doing right now is I'm going to change out this gas strut on my Corvette. This is a base model Corvette 2005, so it should be the same for any C6 Corvette. That is the base model, not including the Z06 or convertible. I've got this part number that I bought on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description. AC Delco strut. It's going to look just like this. The only thing I noticed about this one is that it does not have the little rubber boot down on the bottom, but I don't really care about that, so I'm not going to worry about that at all. But what I'm going to do right now is go ahead and get this other strut off of here. And I'm just going to take a little flat bladed screwdriver and give that a bit of a pry up while pushing this tab right here as well. Get that to come off. Being very careful, obviously. I don't want to scratch anything up. I'm going to pull this rubber boot out of the way. And I'm going to pry off the one on the bottom. I'm just going to push it down a little bit. There's a little bit of a metal tab there. If you kind of just pull up on that little tab, it'll release just as easily as it did right there. Now the next thing you're going to do is you'll kind of see a bit of a slot right here. Just go ahead and place your flat bladed screwdriver in that slot and pull out that little metal tab. Now at this point you want to make sure, I was able to pull the tab right out. At this point you want to make sure that your hatch is supported. Maybe you've got somebody holding the hatch for you, or you have a rod up in there or something like that to support the weight of the hatch, because now you're going to go ahead and release your strut and you don't want the hatch to fall on you. We're just going to do the same thing on the bottom, and I've got my speaker box here in the way, so that's making things a little more difficult. But again, you're just going to get your flat bladed screwdriver up in there. I'm just going to bend this little metal tab out of the way so I can get a better access, because who cares? This is the old strut. Again, I'm going to pull out my metal tab and pull the strut off. Now you want to make sure that this part is on the bottom and the other part is on the top. And to put these in, you just push them into place. So there you go. Pop it into place, pop it into place, and then reconnect your wires. So push the bottom one on, push the top one on, and that is it. Guys, it's that easy. I hope this helps you out in changing out your gas struts. I'll put the part number once again down in the description. I got these on Amazon. Thank you very much for watching YouTube. Make sure you check out the rest of my channel and my other videos. Hit that like and subscribe button as well. Thank you, guys. Everyone, if you enjoyed today's video, I would invite you to go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below right there on the right-hand corner. And if you felt that the products in today's video is something you might like to own yourself, there's a product link right up there to the right, upper right-hand corner, or down in the description will be a product link for you to purchase the product as well. Thank you very much for watching YouTube.